To get started, you want to take your 2 cords on the board and then take one of your smaller beads, and then you want to thread both your cords onto your small bead. So once you've done that, you want to push your small bead up to the top of your board, and then you want to add your next bead, which will be one of your larger beads. But this time, instead of just threading the cords through like that, like you did with the small bead, you want to thread it from the side. So you want to take your larger bead and then thread your cords through in this direction for this cord, and then you want to take the other cord in the other direction and then pull the ends and then push your bead up into place like that. You don't want to pull it too tight either, just leave a little bit of slack. And then for your next step, you want to return to what you did for your first bead and add it both in the same direction. And then again, just push it up into place, but like before, don't push it too tight. Just leave a little bit of slack, and then repeat what you did for the larger bead again. So again, you just want to take one of your cords and thread it through sideways, and then take your other cord and thread in the opposite direction. You just want to keep repeating these 2 steps with your beads until you get your bracelet as long as you want it to be. So once you've got the bracelet as long as you want it, you can just fasten everything at the end by tying a knot after your last bead. And then you want to pull out a little bit and then tie another knot. And once you've done that, you can trim and seal your excess. And you want to do the same thing at the other side. And once you've finished, you should end up with something that looks like this. And that is your completed bead bracelet.